Hello my friends, this time I want to point at a new node called Simple Prompt Batcher. It is more a quick tip than a full-fledged video. What it does is it runs several prompts in one go. This is 3 prompts here. I had in my workflows that I personally use a multi-prompt solution for images already. It was working, but it was a bit complicated and I was never really happy with it. And by coincidence, I then stumbled across this new node here, super easy to handle. As a consequence, my multi-prompt workflows are now deprecated. I use this solution. This is the GitHub page, and you can of course also find it in the manager. The node itself is divided into 3 text fields. We have here the multi-line text field, and then an alternative prepend text box. I have added here a teddy bear, and this teddy bear is now present in all the images. And then we have an append text, and this is the global style for all the prompts. And yeah, that was it already. More is not needed here. Let's for a quick moment add a text node here to show what I mean. Show text, and let's run it again. And you can already see it generates the 3 prompts. And we have here my teddy bear prepend text in all the 3 prompts. And we have the style append text in all the 3 prompts. And the prompt itself is then from the multi-line text box here. Another important bit is you don't need to care about the numbers of run. When you have here 3 lines, then it runs 3 times. And when you have 20 lines, then it runs 20 times. And when you have the feeling that this one becomes too crowded, you can simply add a multi-line string and connect it with this text field here, and then you can drag this as big as you want. This workflow is the standard or default workflow from the templates. When you have the node installed, Simple Prompt Batcher, then we have 2 examples. I have thought of making about a workflow but it is really so simple to handle. The models, text to image, and when you here drop the Simple Prompt Batcher and connect it to the text field, then you are already good to go again. Type in your prepend text, type in your append text, and here comes the prompts. These are not required. You can leave them empty and just work with this field. 1 per line is 1 prompt. That was it for this time and my new favorite workflow, to do multi-line. Have a nice one.